If you want to have a landscaping project without the headaches, you just got to know two things. So I'm going to give you 3 iconic characters and you're going to decide which one is more of a fit for you. First one, you're a young professional. You got the world by the tail. You're successful and you know that you don't have a lot of time outside of your extracurricular activities to be cutting the grass and weeding beds and working on the yard. You just want it to look nice so that you can have friends over for a barbecue, or you can bring someone back for a late night nightcap on a patio. If I've described you or someone you know, this is a
Tom Hansen
from the movie 500 Days of Summer.
Yeah.
All right, the second one is the one that I would guess most of us are like. You're a family man or woman. You are successful, you're busy, you got a bunch of kids, and your weekends basically get annihilated by carpooling and soccer practice and gymnastics, but you wouldn't change it for the world because you know that family is what it's all about. It's the secret sauce to happiness. If I have described you, I'm talking about our favorite family man, Jack Campbell. Yeah, Jack! Nicolas Cage from the movie The Family Man. You cut your own grass, you trim those shrubs. The neighborhood knows that you've got the most pristine yard on the block. You're the family man.
Oh, it's lovely.
And finally, you may be retired where your yard has become your passion. You are the guy or the gal on the block that doesn't seem to have another set of clothes because your gardening attire is on every single day and everybody knows it. You might even have that rare gem of a plant that blooms every 40 years, and that's about it. I'm talking about Mr. Wilson.
Can't stand that kid, he's a menace.
From Dennis the Menace of your neighborhood. I absolutely love this movie. My kids and I watch this movie all the time, and this is a fun person to be. You're in the golden years. Why the heck not?
Our opens and withers in a matter of moments.
You live and breathe your yard. We need to know our lifestyle. We're gonna design around our lifestyle. Are you the busy, successful guy like Joseph Gordon-Levitt?
That's sweet. Ain't love grand?
Are you gonna spend all your time out there like Mr. Wilson?
Where the GD garden lantern?
Time is the thing that we can't get back. It is the most valuable asset we have in this life. So very quickly, I think you need to identify which character makes the most sense. I can tell you right now, I'm the family man. Yeah! And I'm doing stuff with the kids all the time, but I still take a little pride in my work. I try, to do what I can out there. Figure out who you are, it's gonna take away the headaches, and it's gonna give you the process, like the starting point of your process. Time is one thing, but your budget is another thing. It's the most important thing probably with all of this. How are you expected to know what things cost when this isn't something that you do every day? How are you supposed to know the materials and labor hours and everything that goes into this? This is almost a pre-research stage where you're deciding how much time you have to spend with all of this, and then realistically locking on a budget that you are comfortable with spending. This is where you're gonna hire a landscape designer, because the landscape designer is gonna put together all of these things that are gonna check off your boxes and they're gonna hit your budget. And if anything, it can be done in phases so that it works for you and your lifestyle. Which leads me to, in my last video, I gave away how to hire a killer landscape designer, which I highly recommend you do. Go in the links below, click the link, you can go get that. But in this one, I got something even better. I'm giving away the ultimate swipe file. How can I expect anybody to know what this costs if they're not in this business, right? So I put everything together for you, from affordable to a little bit higher end options, pavers, fire pits, retaining wall blocks, furniture, lighting, you name it. I have gone through and scoured the internet and my experience and put it all together for you so you don't have to waste a bunch of time doing it. It is awesome, it's absolutely free. All you gotta do is go below and check it out. But let me tell you, knowing all these materials is great, but it's not gonna get you there. Go check out this video, because this is the video where I tell you how to research so that you can get to the design level and get that yard that you want with no headaches. This is Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out and create. See you on the videos.